Good morning and welcome to my morning skincare routine. First, I dampen my face with some lukewarm water to get it prepped for a scrub. Next, I add the Pink Himalayan scrub to my face and rub it in a circular motion. Now, just a tip here, Pink Himalayan salt actually contains more than 84 trace minerals, so it's fantastic for the face and it's going to help us achieve brighter looking skin. Next, we wash our face with some lukewarm water and we make sure to be as thorough in our washing as possible as to not leave any product behind. Now, we pat our face down and making sure to pat gently. Don't be vigorous because we don't want to further irritate any skin. Now we're going to use our oat and shea body butter and rose quartz and we're going to rub it in thoroughly. And the great thing about shea butter itself is that it has anti-inflammatory properties. So it's absolutely great to use after a face scrub and fantastic for the purpose of my skincare routine. It's actually also very high in vitamin A and E. Now, as you can see, we're done. We've come to the end. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.